LightSheer Desire, and we're using the high-speed handpiece, and we're going to set the settings for the patient's treatment. So you come right here and push the orange button, and it's going to ask you 3 questions: skin type, hair color, and hair texture. So always ask the patient their background, their nationality. Hit the check mark. So it's going at 2 pulses right now. I would, in the first few treatments of a patient, I would go to 1 pulse, because otherwise you're going to get back-to-back stacking pulses of 6.5 joules. So come to 1, and so it's on low vacuum. It's on 30 milliseconds and 6.5 joules. So that's ready.
Is that a medium?
Yeah, that's what it's recommending. And then, so we clicked ready, and then for the handpiece to be ready, you got to push that button. And then, if you don't use it within 30 seconds, this will automatically go off. So this is just a safety thing. Now you're live. You want to be able to, when you're doing this treating an area, you want wherever you can get, you want full suction. If you're in an area that you can't, you might pinch the skin. If you obviously, if you come here, you're not going to get suction, so you're going to want to get suction. Yeah, so like you might have to, you're fine. You'll be able to get suction.
Most wonderful machine. I didn't get numbed. I don't feel a thing. I had the other treatment, and this is way better. This is excellent. It's a genius that made this machine.
So we're going to switch over the handpiece. So come here and push this button right here. And all you need to do right underneath there is a little lever, which you can see it. It's right there. And then all we're going to do is switch out the handpieces, and always make sure this is in a safe, secure spot. And all you do is match the red dot to the red line there. And just close it and latches. Wait a couple seconds, and it's going to verify that the handpiece is in there.
Okay, so I think you're around a 3. You have, what's your natural hair color?
Light brown.
Light brown. And what would you say your hair texture is like? Fine, medium, or coarse?
You can see it.
Piece, that's the HS. Push the pink button, and again it brings you to the settings. Skin type the patient, hair color, and hair texture. So if you're doing a 3, let's say dark brown, medium, it's going to give you the settings. This is a sapphire chilled tip versus the vacuum. If you're doing small areas like this, you don't necessarily need ultrasound gel. If you're going to do larger areas, and maybe you're going to want to click and drag it, you're going to need ultrasound gel. This would be used upper lips, chin, and small little intimate areas. Toes, fingers, that areas. I would say that handpiece gets used 90% of the time. Here.
Not bad? Okay.
Desire is actually very unique compared to a lot of other hair removal devices out there. You need to, for the high-speed handpiece, there's no gel, and you don't need numbing cream, so it's virtually painless to the patient. When you use the XC handpiece, if you're using it in small areas around the mouth or the chin, no gel. You'd only use gel if you're doing a larger area, which most of the time you're going to be using the high-speed handpiece. When it comes to efficacy, you're looking at about typically 4 to 6 treatments for every patient. The speed is going to be significantly faster because on the high-speed handpiece we're using a 22 by 35 millimeter of spot size. It's very big, and you can do large areas, men's backs or women's legs, very quickly, safely, and effectively, and have very happy patients. No mess.